Do you want to change host name and domain name in Linux distro? Then watch this video till the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks on using the Linux operating system. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to configure the host name and domain name file on Linux using the command line interface. The process of modifying configuration files requires root access. Here we execute sudo su command. Now type the password of your Linux. After root access, the first command we need to run is cd/etc to change the directory to the etc directory. This is where most of the system configuration files are located. Great, now we're in the etc directory. The next step is to edit the hostname file. Type in gedit hostname and hit enter. This will open the hostname file in the gedit text editor. In the hostname file, you can change the name of your computer. For example, my hostname is Kali, so I changed it to Techzen. Once you've made the changes, save the file and close it. The next file we need to edit is the hosts file. This file maps IP addresses to host names. To open the hosts file, type in gedit hosts and hit enter. In the hosts file, you can add entries to map IP addresses to host names. For example, if you want to map the IP address 127.0.0.1 or localhost to the hostname, whatever you want, replace localhost with the name of your choice, like I changed to Superior Host. Usually, only saving the above files won't change the hostname and domain name. It also requires restart of Linux distro. So type reboot command and hit enter. It will restart your Kali Linux. After reboot, open the terminal. Here you can see the new hostname on the terminal. In my case, it was Techzen. Here you can see it. Execute the command cd/et circa now. Execute sudo su. After providing root privileges, now we need to start the Apache web server. To do this, type in service apache2 start and hit enter. The Apache web server is now running and ready to serve web pages. As you can see, I'm in the etc directory, so to get our local IP, execute cat hosts command. It will print the data inside hosts file. On the screen, you can see our domain name and local IP. In the web browser, I can access my Apache web server by typing IP address, which is 127.0.0.1:80, where :80 is the port 80. Here you can see Apache 2 Debian default page. I can also access same server page by typing domain name, which is Superior Host :80. We can also modify Apache 2 Debian default page. To get out of etc directory, execute cd command. Go to cd:/var/www/html/, which is a directory commonly used to access and modify the files and folders that make up a website. Here you can see a text file named index.html. This file contains all the content of Apache 2 Debian default page. Open it by executing gedit index.html. You can see it contains all the information of Apache 2 Debian default page. I am going to change the page name to Techzen Superior homepage. Start the Apache 2 web server by executing service apache2 start. Go to the browser. Refresh the page. Now you can see the name is updated. And that's it. You've successfully configured the hostname and hosts file on Ubuntu and started the Apache web server. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Linux tips and tricks.